Today I'll show you the Mitsubishi AHU controller thermistor location, installation and wiring. So the unit provides with 4 thermistors. They are all the same. We will use 2 thermistors for air and 2 thermistors for the coil. There are 2 main methods that we can use. Method A, discharge air control. This is the initial settings. It's mainly used for fresh air units. Thermistor TH21 Control. The unit controls the supply air. Thermistor TH22 Liquid. Thermistor TH23 Gas. And Thermistor TH24 for Thermo on-off. If you want more details, leave me a comment at the description. Method B, suction return air control. We need to set SW7 deep switch 2 to off. The location are the same except the thermistor TH21 moved to the inlet so the unit control the return air. For the installation of the air thermistors, attach the thermistors where the average suction discharge air temperature of the air handling unit can be detected. For the liquid pipe thermistor, put the thermistor on the coldest position to prevent the evaporator from freezing. Turn the lead wire of the thermistor downward and wind the aluminum tape feed supply around the pipe to fix the thermistor. Wind the insulation material over it. Tighten the top and the bottom of the insulation material using the supply tie band and fold the lead wire of the thermistor and fix it with the insulation material using the tie band. For the gas pipe thermistor, put the thermistor as close as possible to the branch pipe that is located as closest to the gas pipe connection on the evaporator. Continue the same steps as you did for the liquid thermistor. As for wiring, for the discharge air control, it looks like this, and for suction return air control, it looks like this. If you have any question, please leave me a comment below. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.